y'all, welcome to another cash stuffing video. It's your girl Lavina back today to count some shmoney and to do a little cash stuffing and talk to you guys for a minute. So let's get into the video, you guys. Today we will be cash stuffing 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, $100. We're going to be cash stuffing $100 into Will's binder, you guys. So hope everyone has been doing awesome, amazing, blessed, all that good stuff. Your girl is feeling good, still getting her gut health together and moving forward, okay? And trying to just stay zen and stay focused. That's what it's all about. Make shmoney. No, let me get it back. Praise the Lord. Thank God. Make shmoney and stay zen and do more activities with my family. That is my goals moving forward. Oh yeah, and do at least 50 squats a day. Okay? I gotta lift it up, baby. Lift it up, honey. So that is a goal of mine today. So Will be getting $40, I believe. Let's see. Yes, he will be getting $40 in his oh, let's see, did we count the money? Yeah, we counted the money. Let's separate the shmoney. Let's separate the money. How y'all doing? How y'all day going? I hope everybody feeling good, because I'm feeling good. I've been taking black seed oil, you guys. Will been giving me sea moss and black seed oil. Oh yeah, if you guys looking for sea moss, plain or flavored, check out the link in my bio, Fresh Life Orlando. It's a link if you're looking for herbal colon cleanse. Check that out too, okay? If you're looking for some inflammation or ginger shots, it's all that on there, okay, you guys? The description is in the bio. So Will be getting $40, 20, 40 for his emergency fund. His savings will be getting $20 as well. This is what I had to cut, you guys. I had to cut this, and since I didn't cut it, we're gonna go ahead and skip this this week. And health is gonna get $5. His birthday will be getting $5 as well. It's next May. So we have a little time on that. It feels so good to actually put the money back in here. Vacay is going to get $5. And Christmas, oh, I didn't document Christmas. So Christmas, we're going to do $10. And how about we go back to his binder and add $5 to his savings account. Now it has $25. Now it has $25. And now let's set this aside. Thank you. Oh, he just brought me some nuts, you guys.
Probiotic.
And a probiotic drink. I told y'all I was getting my gut health together. Ooh, child. What is that, kombucha? Y'all, it's something. Give me a little nut. Yummy. Okay, you guys. Now, let's see if we can do something in here. Since it's still November. Let's see, you guys. Let's see, we have 5, 10. Okay, let's see. We are going to do some of the Halloween stuff. We're not going to touch Save Your Nuts because it's Halloween. So let's do something different. So today, let's see, the caskets are $5. Oh, y'all, we could have did the ghost. The ghost was $3 each. And on the last two videos, I put $3 back in here. Man, I wasn't even thinking, y'all. Well, we not going to go back and touch that 3. Because it wasn't meant for that. So we're going to keep it like it is. And we'll just handle the ghost when we do. But we will be doing 2 caskets. Yes, happy Halloween, everyone. I hope you all had a good Halloween. By the time y'all see this video, it won't be Halloween anymore, though. Or it might be. I might make this the first video. Yeah, I think I will. Happy Halloween. Jayden going to his friend's house from school. So he'll have a good Halloween. I have to go to work tonight. So I had spent my first Halloween at Home Depot, y'all. I don't know if they're going to do something in there or what. So we got the 2 caskets. No, I did 3. I did 3 caskets, y'all. Let me write on here 05. I did 3 caskets. The girl just messing up. Those good nuts are good. Y'all like nuts? I do. So now we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And this is a $77 challenge. It doesn't say from where, but that's how much this challenge is worth. Let's go ahead and put this back. Yeah, I didn't even read the ghost was $3. Y'all see them $3 right there? We surely had it. We could have had 2 ghosts down, but shoulda, coulda, woulda. It's all good. So I hope everyone has a great Halloween. Be safe. Make sure you check the kids' candy and make sure you don't eat all the candy, okay? Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you guys on the next video. Hoo, 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 hoo. Spooky sound, y'all. Bye.